If you're looking for a simple, effective way to import contacts into Folk CRM, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that, and we'll also take a quick look at why Folk CRM could be the solution you've been looking for. First, let me mention that you can try out Folk CRM completely for free through the first link in the description below. And with our exclusive bonuses, you'll get even more out of the platform. But let's dive right into importing your contacts. Folk CRM is a tool designed to simplify customer relationship management, focusing on personal, intuitive workflows and powerful automation. It's perfect for small to medium-sized businesses, especially those looking for an easy-to-use system with rich functionality. Now, let's talk about importing contacts into Folk CRM. The first thing you need to do is navigate to your contacts section within the platform. Once you're in the right area, look for the Import Contacts button. It's clearly marked and easy to find. Clicking that will take you to an interface where you can select the file you want to upload. Folk CRM supports importing contacts from a CSV file, which is one of the most common formats for this kind of data. If you have your contacts stored elsewhere, like Google Contacts or another CRM, you can export them to a CSV format and use this file to import them into Folk. Once you've uploaded your CSV file, Folk CRM will map the columns to the right fields in the system. This is where you want to double check that your names, emails, phone numbers, and other contact info are matched up properly. Folk CRM's intuitive interface makes this process smooth, but it's always worth confirming everything before proceeding. When your contacts are mapped correctly, click the Import button. Folk CRM will start uploading your contacts, and depending on the size of the file, this might take a few moments. Don't worry, Folk will let you know once the import is complete. If any errors occur, the system will give you feedback, so you can easily resolve any issues with the file. Folk CRM also allows you to import contacts in batches, making it ideal for teams or businesses that need to move a lot of data at once. And don't forget, Folk CRM integrates seamlessly with a number of other tools, so importing contacts from other platforms is even easier. Once the import is complete, you'll be able to organize your contacts in Folk's CRM. You can segment them, tag them, and even automate follow-ups based on your preferences. The power of Folk CRM lies in the ability to nurture these relationships with a minimal amount of manual work. This is a game changer if you're looking to scale your business. And here's the real kicker. Folk CRM isn't just about managing contacts. It's designed to help you build and maintain meaningful relationships with deep personalization options and powerful workflow automations. So now that you know how to import contacts into Folk CRM, I want to remind you that you can start using this amazing tool for free with our extended trial linked below. It's a great opportunity to see if Folk CRM is the right fit for you and your business. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to check the link below for your exclusive extended trial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.